Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make croissants without yeast at home, updated. Fold cold butter into flour, then add baking powder and a splash of vinegar for gentle rise. Roll and fold the dough like a classic croissant, chilling between turns for crisp layers. Shape into crescents, let rest briefly, then bake until golden and flaky. Serve warm with jam or butter for best texture and flavor. Start by measuring ingredients precisely and keeping butter very cold. This is the secret to flakiness. Combine flour, baking powder, salt, and sugar, then cut in chilled butter until pea-sized bits remain. Add cold water or milk just until dough comes together, then rest in the fridge. Use a floured surface and gentle pressure when rolling to maintain distinct butter layers for crisp croissants. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful videos. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes easy on the go, with a crisp screen and long battery life that fits in a kitchen drawer. I find it handy for following steps without worrying about spills. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Roll the dough into a rectangle and perform a simple letter fold, then chill for at least 20 minutes. Repeat this fold and chill cycle 3 times. Each fold multiplies layers, creating that classic flakiness without yeast. After the final rest, roll thinner, trim edges, and cut triangles. Gently stretch each triangle, roll from base to tip, and place on a baking sheet for a short rest before baking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.